It is now possible to build a profitable personal finance YouTube channel without appearing on camera or writing a single word of your own scripts. The final output is a polished presentation featuring high-resolution visuals, professional narration, and accurate on-screen captions designed for viewer retention. This workflow relies on a specific tech stack: ChatGPT for research and drafting, Leonardo AI for visual generation, 11 Labs for voice synthesis, and a standard video editor for final assembly. Integrating these tools removes the traditional bottlenecks of content creation. A single creator can now maintain a publishing schedule that previously required a dedicated production team. We begin by using ChatGPT to generate a list of finance channel names with high RPM potential and a corresponding SEO-optimized description. Once a name is selected, we provide that concept to Leonardo AI to generate a clean, professional 2D logo for the channel. After reviewing the variants, download the most effective design and apply it to your YouTube channel profile. Using AI for branding bypasses the time-consuming design process, allowing the channel to be fully established and ready for content in minutes. To generate the first video, we ask ChatGPT for topic ideas and select a high-interest concept, such as avoiding financial mistakes in your 20s. Most automated channels fail here by using simple one-line prompts. This results in robotic, repetitive scripts that viewers rarely finish. We avoid this using an 8-parameter framework for professional-grade copywriting. First, we set video length, define audience age and location, and establish a clear persona. Next, we specify an authoritative tone, incorporate emotional triggers like financial urgency, and mandate specific retention hooks. This instruction set forces the AI to create smooth transitions between points and even provide cues for vocal delivery. This structured approach shifts the output away from generic AI summaries and toward the specific style used by high-performance educational channels. With the script finalized, we move the text in blocks into the 11 Labs text-to-speech engine. While free audio tools often sound jarring and artificial, 11 Labs models provide the nuanced delivery found in professional voiceovers. Adjusting the stability slider introduces subtle fluctuations in tone and pacing. This adds a layer of emotional range that mimics the natural imperfections of human speech. High-quality audio serves as a subconscious indicator of credibility. Mastering this setting helps ensure the viewer focuses on the information rather than the source. To create the imagery, we ask ChatGPT to write a descriptive prompt for every paragraph of the final script. We then input these prompts into an image generator like Leonardo AI or Ideogram to create a consistent set of visuals. Before generating, ensure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. This ensures the images fill the entire YouTube player without black bars or distortion. Using bespoke images instead of generic stock footage keeps the audience visually engaged with the specific points being made in the narration. Assembly takes place in the editor. We place the narration audio and align the generated images to match the spoken content. Adding simple motion, such as a dip-to-black transition or a slow keyframe zoom, removes the static feel of the images and maintains visual momentum. The final step is running the exported video through an auto-captioning tool like Veed.io to generate bold, centered subtitles. These dynamic captions act as a final layer of reinforcement, focusing the viewer's attention on the pacing of the script. To finish the project, we use ChatGPT to brainstorm psychological concepts for the video's thumbnail. We generate the highest-rated concept in 16:9 and overlay bold, aggressive typography to create a high-contrast visual hook. This thumbnail determines whether a viewer clicks. Using AI allows us to rapidly generate and test multiple concepts before the video goes live. In the final export, the realistic voice, visuals, and captions all function together as a cohesive professional asset. This entire production was completed without a camera, a physical studio, or manual scriptwriting. If you want to learn how to deploy more automated workflows, subscribe to the channel. Mastering this process allows a single creator to publish high-quality content multiple times per week. This is no longer just a trend. It is a deployable pipeline that allows anyone to build a scalable portfolio of digital real estate.